Create account. Check the bottom of the page for account suggestions. Click Add Account. Then add an identifier, account type, currency, and if you wish, a broker name. It is important to choose the correct account type as they have various limits and tax handling. Remember, do not enter account number or unique identifiers. Add a holding, these can be cash, bond, or choose from a created financial vehicle. Choose how this account is rebalanced or used in the calculations. Locked means the allocation engine is not allowed to allocate funds to this outside the monthly deposit assigned to this account. Locked accounts are useful for modeling RRSPs and share purchase plans your employer manages or contributes to on your behalf. Enter the number of shares owned as of this month, and/or the total value. If you enter only one of these values, the engine will use this month's stock price to calculate the other value. Note, your holdings breakdown is graphed out, so you can see your diversification at a glance. Purchase concentration directs the distribution engine to concentrate or diversify deposits. RetirePlan.ca